Just about everyone in the universe has experienced the displeasure of pouring milk from a carton. The first bit starts out great, and then the glug monster strikes, causing a mess of milk all over the place. This is caused by the vacuum that builds up in the carton as the milk exits the spout. Eventually the carton will not compress any further and the flow of milk stops momentarily as air gets sucked into the carton, followed by a massive flow of milk referred to as the glug. By simply inverting the carton and pouring the milk with the spout in its highest position, the problem is almost negated. The amount of milk that needs to be displaced is only a fraction of the normal pouring method, and the resulting glugging is only a fraction of what it was. Even when pouring at full tilt, it is manageable without any mess. Let's look at the two together in slow motion. It is quite obvious that this simple hack will make your pouring experience much more pleasurable. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again real soon.